Hi my friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in this new year, in this new video. So today I'm going to be trading using the currency pairs, and I'm going to be using the help of technical analysis. I'm going to be looking at the technical analysis figures. I'm going to be looking at the support level, the resistance level, the internal levels, and also I'm going to be looking at how prices approaching these different levels before opening a trade. I'm going to be opening 15 seconds time frame trades from 1 minute to 5 minutes, and hopefully I'm able to hit my goal for today, which is around $4,500. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see if I'm able to hit my goal. And also I'm inviting you to join my private chat in Telegram channel if you're looking to learn more about binary trading. If you have any questions concerning binary trading, you need to join my private chat in Telegram channel. If you would like to join, go under this video. There is a link there. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat, or you can find me in Telegram using this username. You can join this team, ask all your questions, you can interact with the other members of the group. You can also use my trading signals to make very good profit, so please join. And also don't forget to support this channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel. So let me find my first entry point for today. So here I can see that the chart is moving along a downtrend line. I can see a full-fledged touch with a line that just occurred. So here I'm going to open a trade down for 2 minutes because I'm expecting a rebound from the trend line and an impulsive price decline after touching this line. So let me wait and see the results. So even despite the large green candlestick that formed immediately after our entry point into the trade, you can see that I successfully made very good profit on this trade. You can see that after the large candlestick, the chart went down sharply. You can see that the price fell and bounced off the trend line as I predicted. The rebound was quite impulsive, which allowed me to close this trade quite profitably. So let me go on. Here you can see that the chart on the downtrend is actively approaching the support level. You can see an impulsive price decline. So here I'm going to open a trade down for 2 minutes because I'm sure that this time will be enough and the chart will definitely touch the support level. So let me wait and see. So as expected, you can see that the price touched and even broke through the support level. The trend movement continued, the price dropped significantly, and I was able to easily close this trade in a plus. So opening a down trade when the chart was approaching the support level was a good strategy. So let me go on. Recently, the chart touched the support level after a long price decline. Now you can see that the chart has rebounded slightly and is being adjusted with a slight increase. The price didn't form a full-fledged rebound, and I'm thinking of opening a trade up for 3 minutes. This time will be enough for this price to complete another correction movement here, and I'm sure that the price will go up. So let me wait and see the results. So this is quite awesome. You can see I easily close my trade in a plus here. You see the chart continues to form a rebound from the support level. I successfully entered into the trade after the price decrease and the chart confidently began to form green candlesticks. I made very good profit here, as you can see, and this was a good strategy. So let me go on. So here the chart returned to the limits after a strong price decline, and you can see a sharp exit from the support line. It's a great time to open a trade up for 2 minutes because the entry point here is almost at the support level, and I'm expecting a rebound from the line after the price returns to the limits, and I think my entry point will be a good advantage. So let me wait and see the results. So here you can see that for most of the trade, the price was adjusted at the level of the support line, after which, as we expected, there was an impulsive price increase which began to form a rebound from the level. 2 minutes was enough time for this trade, so let me find my next entry point. So on an uptrend, you can see after a small correction, the chart went down sharply. This is a great time to open a trade up for 2 minutes. You can see that after several large red candlesticks, the price should start to recover and show growth in order to continue moving along the trend. So let me wait and see how the chart will move. As expected, after a major decline, the chart began to restore price indicators. You can see that the trade closed well above our entry point and I made very good profit. So despite the fact that the chart showed quite large volatility, the trade was closed quite easily and I made very good profit. So let me go on. So here we can see an uptrend. You can see that the price is at the correction stage and not rising above a certain level. With such a stable trend, I'm suggesting to open an up trade for 3 minutes because as a rule, the chart is not characterized by a prolonged correction. I'm thinking that during the trade, the chart will be able to complete the correction and it will continue to go along the trend line. So let me wait and see. So here you can see that this was a correction movement and price showed good growth. You can see that the price moved above the entry point all the time of our trade and you can see that the price showed an increase. The chart continues to move along the trend line and we easily closed our profit in a plus here and I got good profit. So let me find my next entry point. So here you can see that this is an uptrend and after a prolonged correction movement, the price showed an increase and is being adjusted again. So here I'm going to open a trade up again for 2 minutes and I'm going to wait for the correction to complete and the price to continue to raise according to the trend. So I opened this trend after a slight decline and I'm sure that 2 minutes will be enough for this trade. So let me wait and see the results. So throughout the whole trade, you can see the chart moved above our entry point. You can see that the price continues to rise and I was able to close another trade according to the trend. So let me find my next entry point. So here you can see that the chart has a downtrend that moves in waves. Now we can see an impulsive price increase and a slight correction. So here I'm going to open a trade down for 3 minutes because I'm expecting a decrease in the price according to the trend, an advantage at the entry point due to the entering of the price after a large red candlestick. So let me wait and see the results. So here you can see that the chart was adjusted after our entry point. It showed a significant decrease and even the price increase by the end of our trade did not prevent us from making a very good profit. So here you can see that the chart continues to decline along the trend and I was able to close this trade in a plus. And now you can see that my balance is $4,847, almost my goal, and I'm going to stop here for today. So as you saw, all my trades today were quite profitable. I was able to hit my goal for today. I'm very glad because this was my goal from the beginning of this video, and you can see that at the end I was able to hit my goal. I was able to find good situations on the market and make very good profit. It's quite easy to trade using technical analysis. You just need to practice a lot, practice several times, and then you'll be able to also make very good profit on your own. If you have any further questions concerning today's trades, I'm urging you to join my private chat in Telegram channel because there I readily answer all your questions and all your comments. So if you would like to join, go under this video. There is a link. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word MoneyTeam and I add you to my private chat, or you can find me in Telegram using this username. Join this private chat ask all your questions. You can interact with the other members of the group. You can use my trading signals to make very good profit and learn more about binary trading. So please join because it will be very useful for you. And also, if you really like today's video, if you would like to support my channel, and the only way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Don't forget to hit that subscription button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when there's a new video up. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.